She has just done a blunder. This is like, the first subscriber. Let's see the crack that's come. Hey guys, good morning from Pondicherry. So right now we are in the parking lot. Here's our bike. We have mounted almost everything. We just have to wear our helmets and go. The plan for now is that we are going to Auroville. We will be exploring Auroville for around 4-5 hours, and from there we will be moving to Bangalore. We are right on time today, surprisingly. So we'll just go to Auroville. There are 2 cafes that I know which are very good. We'll check which one of them has less crowd, and we'll sit over there. So I'll directly meet you all at the cafe. So we have come to the cafe, and we ordered one masala chicken sandwich. This is pesto pasta, and this is a croissant. So we'll have it. We have a pottery class at 11, and it is already 10:51. So we'll have it in 10 minutes and leave from here. We parked our bikes here, and we are come to Sri Ganpati Pottery. So we are come to do pottery. We are come to learn pottery actually. So we have your good name, sir? Kumar. So we have Kumar who will be teaching us how to do pottery. We are ready. Yes. So am I. And here are the wheels. So we are done with our first try, and this is mine, this is Joshia's. So I think both of them are turned really good. For the second one now we are cleaning our plates. I'm already done, she is doing hers. And we are done with the second structure as well. So here's my vase, and here's Josia's pot. So she has written J and A over here. Did you enjoy?
Yes, I'm still playing with it.
So we are done with the third one as well, and she is just doing some detailing to it. Even I have done here. So I've just written Street Hacker Night 9. I know my font isn't that good, but I've just tried doing it. And we are done with all our art. So this is Joshua, this is mine, this is Joshua, this is mine. 1, 2, 3 is mine. 1, 2, 3, 4 is hers.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 is hers, and 1, 2, 3, 4 is mine. So we really enjoyed doing this, and it's time to go to Matrimandir right now. She can't get enough photos with this one. She is very happy because she has done this, and it looks really good also.
I'll take more pictures because it's a Pinterest worthy plate.
And after having a really good time, we are moving out from here. So we'll go to Matrimandir. I'm not sure what is the timing of that, but we'll go over there and we'll check it out. We are come near Matrimandir, and first we thought of having tender coconuts. So we are roaming with these helmets, and we are looking for some options. If you see here closely, what we have done is we have kept a helmet and knee guards over there because it was very hot roaming. And now we are going to Matrimandir Square. So this is the way to which we have to go. We'll take the tickets and all, and then we'll meet you all guys back. We got our passes. So this is our pass to visit the Matrimandir. And so one way we have to walk compulsorily, and return there is a free shuttle service system. So actually we thought both the ways there will be shuttle, because wearing the riding jacket and riding shoes, it is very difficult to walk. But since we are come, we'll walk for 1.5 kilometers and 30 minutes. So we are right now on the way to go. There are a lot of shops over here, a lot of stalls, and that is why they have not kept the shuttle services both the ways. because everyone uses the shuttle, then who will come to the shops? So because of that, even I was thinking like, why just while coming, why not going? So it is because of that they have kept only one side. We were just walking and we saw this. So this is Clitoria tea and this is hibiscus tea. Out of both I like this and she is with that. So we are walking to the Matrimandir, and with this riding jacket and all, it's very difficult, so that's why we took a rest. So we'll sit here for like 2 minutes and then go from here. We have a long journey to go back to Bangalore and Goa, but we will manage it somehow. We might have to ride a bit late today, but it will be because tomorrow we will save some kilometers and reach home early. So we have made it to Matrimandir. So here's the temple and my girl is here. She has just done a blunder. She was very tired wearing this and roaming, and she first thing is she came from here and she sat over here. The second thing what she did is she went to her phone and dropped it. Just see the crack that's come. Tagda loss. And I just told her to take out the phone because I wanted to show you all something, and that is that someone has yesterday when we went to this thing restaurant, so there was a guy who followed us and he took a selfie with us. So here it is. This is like the first subscriber who is non-Goan clicking a picture with us, and we felt so happy looking at it. Just today morning we saw it. I'll repost it now, and I can't tell you how happy I felt looking at this. So yes.
Yeah, he especially came out to say bye and he took a selfie with us.
Yeah, and now we'll just click some pictures with Matrimandir and then we'll leave for So this is the banyan tree, which marks the center of Auroville. So every part of Auroville, so there are 4 parts to the Auroville, and it is right around this banyan tree. So this marks the center of it, and everything is like within the circumference of this banyan tree. We are come from Matrimandir from the bus ride, and then we ordered snacks for us because we want to move from here very quickly. So can you please tell us what we have?
This is Nutella waffle. This is Nutella waffle. This is turtle.
Angel tart. Turtle angel.
Turtle angel.
Yes. These are peri peri fries.
With mayo and sauce, and this is kombucha. I don't know what is kombucha, but I want to try it because everyone is trying. And this is pineapple for hip.
Yes.
Let me taste kombucha first.
How's kombucha? Good?
Tastes like wine, grape. Tastes like wine.
Okay. Let me take a taste.
It's alcoholic.
No. Okay. Although I've never tasted wine, but if she says so, may. Let's try pineapple juice.
It tastes exactly like wine.
Pineapple juice is good. There's no sugar also to it. It's very good.
Later.
Right now we stop for the break, and time right now is 7:22, and we are in Burger King. So we ordered the combo meal for 2. We got 2 burgers, 2 hot coffee, that is cappuccino, and 3 French fries with some ketchup. So yeah, toot pado.
So we'll have this, and we will continue our ride up till 10. We won't be riding much late also. After 10 we will search for a restaurant, a hotel, and then we'll end the ride for the day. Actually we have around 12 more hours to reach Goa, and we don't want to take the risk, and we don't want to, we don't have any hurry to go so fast. So what we'll do is we'll take a break today, and tomorrow we will be reaching Goa. Right now we are on the nice road, that is the link road, which is bypassing all the traffic in Bangalore, which is a really good thing. Otherwise, you know, in Bangalore we have to spend a lot of time for the traffic. This is I think around 45 minutes and we'll be reaching Tumkur. So we will look for a stay right after Tumkur. So the time right now is 9:43 and my girl is getting ready. So she is wearing the raincoat because you know it's very cold. I worn the winter liner. I don't have anything for my legs because the bike seat is so much that you know we can feel it around here. So it's like bonfire over here and we can feel the heat. So that's why even she is very close to the engine. After a pretty long ride and the time is 11:30, we are come to a restaurant to have food. So this is paneer and those are rotis. So we'll have this and we'll find a hotel where we can check in and then we'll directly move on to Goa tomorrow. So for Goa we have around 10 more hours to reach, but that's for tomorrow. So tomorrow we'll be riding pretty long and I think that's it for today's video. I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked it till here, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye. We'll just enjoy our food. Nano.
Bye.
Chalo. Bye.